Hey there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card is a pretty quick and easy one, and it features the framed florets stamp set and some fabulous paper which you can get for free in our Sale-A-Bration brochure. So this is the stamp set that we're using today. It's on page 65 of the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. That's the catalogue, and we're going to be using just one of the stamps and one of the dies from this fabulous suite. And the free product that we're going to be using, or the one that you can get free when you spend $110 or more, is in this Sale-A-Bration brochure, and it's on page 6, and it's the Dainty Flowers 12 by 12 designer series paper. It's really, really pretty paper. All these beautiful different floral images and some watercolor images as well. I mean, look at this one here. Isn't that just beautiful? I love it. It's all different dainty floral patterns, but what I was really attracted to was the one that has some of this watercolor imagery in it. All this you know, very splotchy watercoloring look, and of course on the back it's got the beautiful images as well too. But I wanted to make something that was really quick and just really featured this particular paper. So I've gone ahead and done some of the prep already. So we're using for a special person on a special day, and this card here, I've just used a piece of the designer series paper and cut it to the actual size of the front of a card. But for this next one, I've actually gone ahead and cut a piece of Starry Sky designer series paper. That's the color that's in here. So one of the colorways in here is Starry Sky. So I've cut a piece of the cardstock of Starry Sky and another piece of the designer series paper, just to give it more of a border look. I think it will just make that paper pop a little bit more than on the plain background. So I've also die cut a piece of crushed curry and a small thick basic white, and I've used, for these die cuts, I've used the Stylish Shapes dies. And for my little piece of greenery right here, in the florets die, there is this fabulous die. It doesn't have a stamp, just the die, and it cuts out this great little piece. So I've used Old Olive for that one. So let's go ahead and get the stamping done. So to tie in with the paper, I'm using Starry Sky ink, classic ink I should say, and stamp that up, and then just straight onto a piece of the die cut. I haven't used the Starry Sky colour very much. I always find these very dark colours, bright colours I should say, a little bit intimidating, but once I find a colourway that works with them, so the crushed curry and the Old Olive look really nice with this one, so that's what I've gone ahead and done. I think it looks nicer with that pop of Starry Sky behind it actually. So easy, simple card to put together when she finds them. So let's just go ahead and put a couple of dimensionals onto our crushed curry die cut piece, and then we can put this straight on here. So that's that piece done. Bring it up there so we can see what we're doing a bit easier. There we go. And then on the back of here, I'm just going to put through here, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape. Don't have to worry too much about where you put it, it's just for the positioning really. And one there and one down here. You put it wherever you sort of like the position. Play around with that one a little bit. You could have it, I could actually have it coming out from there, couldn't I? No, we won't. Put the tape down. Oops. Alright, easy to put together. Let's pop this piece of paper onto our cardstock, and yeah, I think I definitely will prefer it with the with that backing, the card backing, I think. Yeah, it just makes it pop that little bit more. Let's get that straight. There. Oh yes, definitely. Yeah, that's quite a big difference. I like it. I very much like that. All right, a couple more dimensionals on here. And so this framed florets suite, the bundle, if you purchase that, that will qualify you for a free Sale-A-Bration item, and you could make this beautiful Dainty Delights paper your free item. I actually have pulled that one a little bit too far, I think. It's got to do a little bit of surgery here. I've got that one a bit high on the card. It's better. Yep. Yeah, so if you purchase this framed florets bundle, it's more than more than $110. You would be able to get this paper, or any other item actually, or that you choose. But this paper is beautiful. If you're a scrapbooker, this paper is made for you as well. And the card. So I've just got a basic thick white card base. Here. Not forgetting our linen thread just to finish off that bow. Yeah, I think definitely this one, right? Yep. That paper pretty. It's such pretty paper. I just think it's so pretty, it deserves really to be the focal point of this very cute card. Glue dot. And then straight onto the card. What do you think? The difference? That's a much better, much better. Let's pop that on with some dimensionals. And I'm also going to put some of these. These are the gold. Now I actually have used these, but I've realised that they were part of a promotion that was running through Christmas. You may still be able to get them. They are the gold adhesive back swirls, and they went with this promotion. They may be gone, but I have put a link in the description bar, so you may still be able to get them. They're very cute, but I mean any of our fabulous rhinestones will look equally as great. The adhesive back sequins will look fabulous as well. That's done, and then we'll just pop a couple of these on here because we can. I'll just use that one instead. I think it's better. Might just put 3 on, I think, today. It's probably enough. Yeah. Oh, such a cute card. Such an easy card to put together, and I definitely think that it looks better backed onto the Starry Sky background. What do you think? Let me know. That one, I think that one for sure. I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a link to the products in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a great day. Bye.